Hey, how's it going there? It's Aaron Basti here, lead product manager at IoTeX. I'm super excited to show the IoTeX community a new release today. So we're going to be releasing the new version of the delegate portal. So this is a fantastic release because we're going to be able to walk new delegates through the process of becoming a delegate in a very easy step-by-step way. And once you become a delegate, you're going to be able to see the rewards that you've already distributed, different performance metrics around how your node is actually performing for you. And this is going to be all very valuable information for maintaining your node. So first of all, we got a landing page here where we talk about what it means to be a delegate, delegate requirements, benefits and rewards, and so forth. But very simply here, I'm going to quickly walk you through the process of what it means or how easy it is to become a delegate. So first of all, you got to create a profile account name. So this has got to be a maximum of 12 characters. So I'm going to go ahead, maybe something like Aaron's IoTeX. Next step, enter a delegate name. So this is your publicly facing user-friendly name. So something like there, like Emma's IoTeX, IoTeX score. So I'm going to go ahead, Aaron's IoTeX again. Enter delegate bio. So this is essentially kind of a marketing phrase that you'd like to come up with. Don't be afraid to get creative here. There we go. Operator address. So this one is just very simply your wallet address here, the one that's going to be connected to the node. Next step is to enter your email address. So this email address is actually the one that is going to be in charge of operating the node. Next step is to enter the amount of IoTeX that you wish to stake. Remember, the requirement for becoming a delegate is actually 1.2 million IoTeX, so I'm going to go ahead and enter that. Enter a staking duration. So here you're looking at the higher that you enter, the more yield you receive. So I'm going to enter 365 and I'm going to hit stake lock because I have no plans of unstaking anytime soon. Next one, it talks about the server IP, but I don't have my node set up yet, so you don't need to worry about that now, and that's why this skip button is here, so you can go ahead and do that later if you'd wish. Next step after that is reward distribution. So I'm going to stop quickly here just to speak about reward distribution and what this means. So there's automatic reward distribution and there's manual reward distribution. So automatic reward distribution backed by a Hermes protocol that we worked on. So essentially what this does is automatically distributes the rewards on a daily basis. So this is super convenient and we definitely recommend it. So you want to do amount of rewards that you think you can continue to maintain it the node yourself, but at the same time you want to attract voters, so you want to have pretty strong rewards. Whereas manual distribution, you have to go and distribute the rewards yourself. So definitely recommend the automatic distribution. Here, my profile. So I'm not going to spend the time to go through each of this myself right now, but you can see the different spaces you have here. So it's definitely more marketing focused, again, trying to attract those voters. But you can even come through at this with a later date with your marketing team to enter this. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and skip this, come back to it later. So there's all your information there. You can confirm and sign. You can see it opened up my wallet here. And confirm. And it's going to ask me to confirm one more time here. Just got to give it a second for the transaction to go through. There we go. You just saw my IoTeX decrease there. And now I just got to confirm one more time. There we go. I've gone ahead and created a new delegate. So Aaron's IoTeX is the newest delegate. So go to my account. So in here you can see how your delegate's performing. I'm going to go through this at a later date with you guys. How your delegate's performing. You can't see any. It's pretty much just a straight line right now. That's just because we haven't received any rewards yet, but this will be there at a later date. And there we go. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. We'll be in touch soon.